Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. If you are new here, welcome. It is lovely to have you. In today's video, I'm very excited to be sharing a look at some new releases from Black Raven Beads. They're a gorgeous charm bracelet bead brand. I feature quite a few videos on my channel now if you're curious to see some of their other releases too. They just do beautiful, lovely quality sterling silver, very unique designs. So we have an update to their Slide into Wonderland collection. So if you missed their first release, I have a full video reviewing it and styling it. I'll leave a link up above the screen right now on where you can find that video. But basically, they have added Murano glass beads to this collection. So I'm so thrilled about this because right now, all my Alice in Wonderland charms are just kind of on their own. It looks beautiful, but I'm really excited at the idea of incorporating some gorgeous Alice in Wonderland themed glass to it. I cannot wait. Very excited to take a look at this with you. And we have this gorgeous charm. I did share this, like I couldn't resist. I shared this on my Instagram stories as soon as I got it. It's back like late December, and I don't want to spoil it. You got to keep watching the video, but it's a beautiful angel themed bead. The most gorgeous weight to it. I'll just kind of share a little peek of it here. I'll give you all the details in just a minute, but it's so beautiful. I just love it. And you guys know, like, I have my little sister who's now in heaven, and I love fairies. They often remind me of her, but a little angel and she's little prayer hands, like, it just touches my heart so much, and it's such a gorgeous weight. I think it would be gorgeous on a pendant. We gotta zoom in, so of course, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. I am enjoying a delicious jasmine oolong tea from David's Tea. It is so good. It's easily become like a staple tea for me. I have it almost every day, so I definitely have stocked up on it over the past couple months. It's lovely. And I'm also using a mug that my dear friend Natalie made me, so it's like extra special. I'm enjoying tea in this beautiful handmade mug, and I just love it. Let me know what tea you're enjoying or beverage down below in the description. Without further ado, let's get started in today's video.
All right, so here is a look at the Step into Wonderland gift set that features all 4 of the new glass beads in the Slide into Wonderland collection from Black Raven Beads. As you can see, we have a little bit of everything reflecting the Queen of Hearts and her deck of cards. These are so beautifully done. I love the black, the red, and the blue. They're very Alice in Wonderland vibes, and they're so cool. Now you have the Spade, you have the Ace of Clubs, you have the Lucky Diamond, and you have the Queen's Heart charm. And they're all so pretty. I just love the blue. Like, it's like the perfect Alice blue. Like, you can just kind of see it on the dress. But there's almost like this hint of white in the blue. I don't know if you guys can kind of see. Maybe it's just how the light reflects on it. I also love, just because of the whole painting of the roses red that the deck of cards do, it's really neat because it does look like they get kind of the design of the Murano glass. It looks like it's been painted on, so it kind of makes me think of that scene in the book, kind of a nice nod to that. Now here's a look at my Alice in Wonderland inspired Black Raven Beads bracelet, and we're going to add in the new Slide into Wonderland beads onto here. So here is a look at the finished result, very quick design with me. And I am so happy that they created these glass beads. They look so beautiful on. They definitely added the Wonderland to this design because of that pop of color with the blue, the black, and the red. It's very vibrant. I like that the Murano glass, it's a little bit smaller than the silver bead, so it gives like a really nice kind of dimensional look to the bracelet. It breaks up the design a bit too because you have the big silver, then the small little Murano, and then big. I would say, just so in case you're new to Black Raven beads, the Muranos are like your standard size, and the beads themselves, like the sterling silver beads, are a little bit more bigger, which I don't know if everyone always knows that, but they are a little bit bigger in size, which is really fun. They make great on a bracelet, like a great design on a bracelet, I should say, but they equally look so nice on a pendant, like if you want to do like a necklace design. They have a beautiful weight to them, really lovely quality. So here's a whole look. I'm going to kind of give you a little bracelet tour. Now, I've mentioned I do have a full video on the original Slide into Wonderland collection part 1. So if you do want to see that, again, there'll be a link earlier in the video as well as somewhere probably at the end of the video. As I am doing this voiceover, my dog Dinah Ying Ying, she is currently at the vet for a little medical procedure, so it's extra special editing this video because if you guys know, both my dogs, Alice and Dinah, they're both named after the 2 characters in Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, which I would love to get a Dinah charm. Would anyone else want a little cat Dinah charm? I think that would be so cute. As far as I know, no bead brands have done a Dinah charm, so I think it'd be really cool if they did a little Dinah charm. Maybe like Dinah with Alice together. That would be super sweet. So Black Raven beads, even just a solo Dinah cat charm, that would be so cool. I would love like a part 3 of the Slide into Wonderland collection. I probably need to start a second bracelet though, but I love how this bracelet looks. It fits really nice. I love the little characters on here. It is just so cool, and I just love the pops of color. I'd love to know if you guys have a favorite bead from the new release, so from Sliding into Wonderland with Murano Glass. If I had to pick, I love the Queen's Heart. I also think those would be really fun if you got a couple of those. They'd be great for a Valentine's Day theme, which is already, can you guys believe it? Like, it's gonna be Valentine's Day in like a couple of weeks. Like, the time is just flying by. Now we're gonna move into the special limited edition bead by Black Raven Beads. This bead is so special. It is called the Peaceful Angel. It was special for the holiday and Christmas season. Here is what Black Raven Beads has to say about the Peaceful Angel limited edition bead. We are introducing the Peaceful Angel, a graceful symbol of gratitude and thankfulness. With hands gently positioned in a gesture of appreciation, this bead radiates serenity and this quiet strength found in moments of reflection. This bead is a reminder to pause, give thanks, and embrace the beauty of a grateful heart. The Peaceful Angel carries a message of peace in timeless elegance. In gratitude, we find true peace. Let the Peaceful Angel constantly remind you of this profound truth and inspiring moments of thankfulness and peace in your life. Needless to say, everyone, I love this bead. The detail on it is absolutely incredible. The wings, the little toes, the face, the little prayer hands. It's a beautiful weight. Like, this is like a nice, not heavy, but like it has like some weight to it. It's so beautiful. I created a little mini design with this, but I definitely want to play around with some other designs as well with the little Peaceful Angel. Now, there's about 125 of these made, so they're not going to be bringing out any more after this. So if you do want one, definitely check it out. It is such a sweet bead, and I think it works perfectly year-round. It's great for Valentine's, the holidays, and just the spring, the summer, or representing a special loved one. What do you all think about this bead? Let me know down below.
And that is it for today's video, taking a look at the new releases in the Black Raven Beads world. I would love to know what pieces are your favorites. Have you checked out Black Raven Beads? Have you ever ordered anything from them? And do you guys have any questions about them? Feel free to ask me down below. I love when you guys ask me questions or styling ideas if you want to see something, if I have perhaps have some beads from them and you kind of want to know how they might pair on a different bracelet or bead band or anything like that, let me know down below. I'm always happy to do videos on that, even like YouTube shorts, or I can send you like DMs, Instagram stories, all different things on ways like we can kind of create some designs together, or if you have an idea and you just don't have it tangible to kind of play around yourself, I'm always happy to do that for you. So just send me a message and we'll create a little design together. But anyway, a very happy new year. I'm not exactly sure when this video is going up, but I'm filming it literally the first week of January, so I'm definitely ringing in the new year. I have a little bit of like kind of a new year theme with my jewelry right now, and just enjoying the fresh start of something new. There's so much opportunity that's awaiting, growth that's awaiting, joy and challenges too, but those challenges often lead us to wonderful new opportunities we might have not even considered, different paths, maybe new friendships, maybe new like career opportunities. Who knows? There's always something amidst the challenges that strengthen us and perhaps propel us on a new path to something else, which is always exciting despite how it might feel during it, where it usually can feel like the opposite and feel very overwhelming and very stressful. But anyway, wishing you all a magical rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.